Tinkle.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to open my next Miss to Mrs. box, and I have a special guest with me. He has never opened one of these with me. I don't even think you've seen really any of the stuff that comes after it. I kind of just put them away and do what I want to do with them. And so he's going to open this one with me. Like usual, I have not looked at it. I have no idea what's in it. Real quick, for those of you who have not seen any of these videos, the Miss to Mrs. box is a bridal subscription box. They are $35 a box, and you get 9 different themed boxes throughout your whole entire wedding planning and post-wedding process. I think you get a honeymoon box toward the end, is what I've heard. So, I know, it's actually very exciting. I will post a link below if you want to subscribe, plus links to the other videos of the unboxings. And without further ado, we're gonna get this one opened. Are you excited?
So excited.
I can tell. So usually it comes with what's in this box, so we're gonna have to guess at what's at it, or what's in it, if we can't figure it out. Usually it has like a piece of paper that comes with it. So this is looking very makeup themed.
Yeah,
are you getting that too?
I would say so.
Okay. So first up in the box is this light pink makeup bag. It says Mrs. on it. I will show you guys a close-up of it. It's pretty big. That is a big makeup bag. As you can tell, it has the Mrs. kind of like embroidered in a way to it. It's like imprinted. And it's a decent sized bag. So the first thing in this box is this makeup bag that Jordan will never use, so I'm gonna hand them to him.
Perfect.
So the second thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this zippered pouch. It looks like a diamond. What it is it's like a, I don't know, like a nail kit.
What is that?
That is a nail file.
That is a shank.
That is not a shank.
It's a diamond shank.
Oh my gosh. So I'll show you a close-up of what all comes in it. It's like one of those like toiletry kits, essentially, that comes with like nail clippers and a nail file and tweezers and stuff like that. So I'll show it to you. There it is. And it comes in this shiny container. Look at, you look so pretty next to the diamond, Jordan.
So shiny.
So the second thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this kind of like toiletry set with a bunch of nail stuff plus some tweezers.
And a shank.
So the third thing in this Miss to Mrs. box are the bridal look essentials. Professional makeup brushes. Flat eyeliner, short eyeshadow. This one's flipped over, so I have no idea what it is. Probably just regular eyeshadow one. And then a blush brush. Should I show it to them close up?
Probably.
Okay.
I would.
So there are your brushes. They're all labeled. That's kind of how I knew which one was which. So the third thing in your Miss to Mrs. box are these professional makeup brushes. What are you doing?
It's a blending brush.
It's a blending brush?
It's a blending brush.
Were you curious what it was?
Well, it was bugging me that I couldn't see it.
So
what is that? That is a peep.
Does it look like a peep?
First glance, it's a peep.
It doesn't have a face.
Well, it could.
Okay, so the fourth thing in your Miss to Mrs. box is a blending sponge, otherwise known as a blending bud.
Peep. What about the blending brush?
That is for eyeshadow.
Okay.
It's a nice little spongy sponge here.
It looks soft.
It is. Do you like to feel it?
That feels like a marshmallow.
Does it feel like a peep?
A little bit. Does it not? Is that how you use it?
You gotta like tap.
Also not smash.
No. Not.
Okay, it's still soft.
So it's this nice little pink one, like Jordan said, it's soft. I won't give you guys a close-up of it just because, I mean, this is what it looks like.
It might have a face.
So the fourth thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this blending sponge, otherwise known as a peep, according to Jordan. Oh.
Comes with a lot of stuff.
It does. So the fifth thing in the Miss to Mrs. box is this eyeshadow palette, it almost looks like. Is this nice plastic palette, and it has all the colors on the back. And, oh, comes with a little applicator, but now you have your fancy blending brushes and stuff.
Yep.
And not the blending bud.
Oh.
The brushes.
Yep.
That you can use for it.
I'm new here.
Yeah, I know, I see that. So it's all these colors here, and I'll show you guys. Should we show them a close-up?
Probably.
Should I make you look pretty? I can put it on your face.
I don't think you should.
No? Okay. So there are all the colors. It's a very good array of colors, and they're kind of neutral-ish too, so it's not like these crazy colors that come in it. So the fifth thing in your Miss to Mrs. box is this nice eyeshadow palette. So the sixth thing in your Miss to Mrs. box came in this fun little bag container thing. But it's
super fun. It's very fun.
So the sixth thing in the Miss and Mrs. box came in this not fun satchel. It's just one of those
Plain
leather.
black.
Yeah, like, I don't even, velvet.
Yeah.
It's a mirror. So you can do your makeup. All the makeup that you do.
It's pretty up close.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait.
I need a haircut.
Oh, that's a magnifying one.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
That's kind of cool though.
It's handy.
Right? So
I'll give you that.
close up. You can have the fun satchel. So here's a close-up of the mirror. Like I said, it looks like a diamond. It actually is all like angled here too to kind of look diamondy. It's gold and it has the 2 mirrors.
Here.
Hi, self.
Oh wait. Yeah, that's you. And a TV.
So the 6th thing in your Miss to Mrs. box is this mirror, and it comes in this not so fun satchel bag.
Yep. Super fun packaging.
Silica gel. So the 7th and last thing in the Miss to Mrs. box comes in this very ominous box that just says hair couture on it. So we're gonna see what it is. What do you think it is?
Pearls.
Pearls?
Pearls.
That go in your hair?
I don't know.
Oh my! Did you see it?
Yeah.
So he was right because he cheated. It's little hair pieces.
I can't tell if they look like trees or...
They're like floral.
That makes it look like antlers. I don't know what that is.
Did you put it in? What did you just do? Isn't it backwards?
I don't know.
Do I look pretty?
Always.
Oh, that's actually very cute.
You're welcome.
Thanks. So there's 3 of them. And we'll give you a close-up.
Extreme close-up.
So here are the 3 little hair things, I guess, hair clips, hair whatever. It has those like bobby pin looking things that you can stick it in your hair if you have like a bun or an updo or something. They have the pearl type things and kind of like rhinestones. So the 7th and last thing in this Miss to Mrs. box are these hair, pretty hair things that you put in your hair. I don't know, hair clips. I don't even know what to call them.
Myself.
Thank you. So that is all the fun stuff that came in this Miss to Mrs. box. Definitely usable stuff. Curious to see what I can do with these hair pins and how they'll look, but Jordan's taken out the blending peep again. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. If you want Jordan to join us again, because this has been quite a treat, honestly.
No one wants that.
Also let me know, because we can also have him come back since he's stuck with me and he lives with me. So
that's fair.
Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys with the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.